Computer diagnostics of a car involves connecting to a vehicle through a specific interface of a personal computer and the subsequent determination of a faulty unit. Let us try to consider the previous definition in parts. A modern car is not only wheels, a body, an engine and other mechanical parts. From the point of view of an electrician, this is a complex electronic complex of equipment. If you break down all the electrical equipment of the car into separate elements, it includes an engine management system, brake system, control unit, ABS, driver protection system, control unit, airbags, SRS, body control system, comfort unit, air conditioning, light control, etc., car protection system against unauthorized access, alarm, immobilizer, communication unit, CAN bus, optional equipment. Essentially, each of these blocks represents a microcomputer in which there are sensors and actuators. For example, in the engine control unit there are crankshaft, camshaft, flow meter and other sensors. As actuators, injectors, idle speed controller and others. Management is carried out directly by the control unit of a particular mechanism. All blocks are interconnected by a data bus, which carries out the coordinated operation of the vehicle nodes. Each of the blocks has a connection to the diagnostic connector. On it you can collect data on the malfunction of individual elements of the circuit, carry out operational control during the operation of the device's ignition timing, injection time, etc. Reprogram individual blocks. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. You will receive new useful videos.